Hello, food lovers! Today we're taking a delicious trip to West Africa to discover a snack that's pure nostalgia: Nigerian buns. Picture the bustling streets of Lagos, the sizzle of hot oil, the aroma of fried dough, and golden buns stacked high. Nigerian buns are more than a snack, they're a taste of home, a memory of childhood, and a staple at gatherings. What makes them special? It's all about texture. A crispy, golden brown shell with a soft, cakey center. Each bite is a perfect balance, crunchy outside, tender inside. For many, the scent of fresh buns brings back memories of after-school treats and family celebrations. These buns are a cultural icon, connecting generations with their simple joy. Whether enjoyed hot from a street vendor or at home with a cold drink, they're pure comfort. The magic lies in their simplicity. Humble ingredients, unforgettable flavor. Nigerian buns are universal, loved by kids with pocket change and adults seeking nostalgia. They're perfect for breakfast, parties, or a quick snack. The joy is in their versatility and the smiles they bring. And the best part, you can make them right in your own kitchen, so get ready to discover the secret behind these irresistible treats. Let's dive into the world of Nigerian buns and bring a taste of West Africa to your home. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to making them perfectly crispy and delicious. What's the secret to a perfect Nigerian bun? It's all about the crack. Those signature cracks on the surface mean you're in for a crispy, crunchy bite. Unlike the smooth, airy puff, buns are dense, rugged, and deeply satisfying. The crack signals a cake-like interior and a perfectly fried shell. Inside, you'll find a soft, slightly sweet and dense center, never too light, never too heavy. Achieving that balance is an art, dense enough to be filling, but never dry. The golden, cracked exterior is the first sign of greatness. Then comes the crunch, followed by a warm, comforting middle. The flavor is simple, a hint of sweetness, richness from milk and egg, and the taste of perfectly fried dough. It's a sensory experience, visual, audible, and delicious. That's what makes a great bun unforgettable. Let's see how to create this magic at home. Ready to make magic? Nigerian buns use simple, everyday ingredients, no fancy tools required. You'll need plain flour for structure, granulated sugar for sweetness, and an egg plus milk for richness. Baking powder gives a gentle lift and helps create those signature cracks. A pinch of salt balances the flavors, and nutmeg adds a nostalgic aroma. Vegetable oil is essential for frying. Choose one with a high smoke point. Here's your shopping list. 3 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 egg, 1/2 cup milk, and oil for frying. That's it. Humble ingredients, spectacular results. With these basics, you're set to create golden, irresistible buns. Let's get mixing and frying. The journey to deliciousness starts now. Let's make Nigerian buns. Quick, easy, and no rising time needed. In a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg. In another bowl, whisk together the egg and milk. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and gently mix until just combined. A thick, sticky batter is perfect. Don't overmix. A few lumps are fine for a tender bun. If the batter's too thick, add a splash of milk. If too runny, a bit more flour. Heat oil in a deep pot to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Test with a drop of batter. It should sizzle and float. Using 2 spoons, drop small balls of batter into the hot oil. Fry in batches, turning occasionally until deep golden brown, about 5-7 minutes. Don't overcrowd the pot. Give each bun space to crisp up. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack. The result, crispy golden buns with a soft, cakey center. Serve hot and enjoy the irresistible aroma. That's all it takes to bring a taste of Nigeria to your kitchen. Simple steps, spectacular results. Now, let's see how these buns connect us to the world. Fried dough is a global comfort, and Nigerian buns have delicious cousins worldwide. In Tanzania, half cakes are crispy outside, dense inside, sometimes flavored with cardamom. Jamaica's fry dumplings or johnny cakes are less sweet, often served with savory dishes. Ghana's bofrot is similar, though lighter, like puff puff. In the UK, rock buns are baked, dense and rustic, often with dried fruit. Each version has its own twist, but all share the joy of simple, hearty treats. These snacks connect cultures, proving comfort food knows no borders. A few ingredients, a hot pan, and you have a world of flavor. No matter where you are, there's a bun that tastes like home. Let's master the perfect texture every time. Want perfect buns with that signature crack? Here are the keys. Keep your batter thick and sticky, not runny. Don't overmix. A few lumps mean a tender cake-like center. Control your oil temperature. Medium heat is best. Too hot and the outside burns. Too cool and the buns get greasy. Test oil with a drop of batter for the right sizzle. Use fresh baking powder for the best rise and cracks. Drop thick batter into hot oil to create those beautiful fissures. Follow these tips and you'll master Nigerian buns, crispy, golden, and irresistible. Try it at home and enjoy the taste of success.